Welcome to my channel for comprehensive tutorials on fundamental principles to complex problems. I'll cover it all. Feel free to share, subscribe for more contents. Thank you. Hello everyone. I'm very excited to start a new chapter, which is chapter 2. In here, I'm starting topic 2.3, which is formulae, and all the exercise is going to be solved, all the questions from algebra 1. This is chapter 2, but just to give you a brief idea how it's going to go, I have started from 2.3, which is formulae that you can find in the textbook if you have in your hand. In case if you don't have, you can connect me on WhatsApp. Number is going to be provided where I can provide you PDF file for this. Now, first of all, it's going to be formulae and then brackets and simplification, then linear equation, problem solving by linear equations, and then comes simultaneous equations and problem solved by simultaneous equations. Then comes factorization, quadratic equations, and problem solved by quadratic equation. Here, real life problems are going to be solved, which is available in the book also. Then comes 2.12, whether it is nonlinear simultaneous equations. Then comes revision exercise 2a, and then comes 2b, as we have done in chapter 5. 5a was taken from the revision, and 2b was examination style questions from the past papers. Now, the little change I have done in this exercise is already solve these questions for your easiness and for the sake of saving time. In here, just we need to substitute the values in the given formula and to get the answer. As for example, in question number 1, the formula is v equals u plus 80. So the value of u is 15, which is given in the question itself, and then the value of a, which is 0.2, and time is 30. So I have substituted all the values and I have got 21 as the answer. Now comes question number 2. Formula is given as the previous question. We just need to put the values. Values are already given in the question itself. We need to find the time. Find t when L is 0.65 milligrams, and g is 9.81 meters per second square, and the value of pi is 3.142. I have just substituted the values 2 over here and the value of pi like this, and under root 0.65, 9.81. Once it is done with the calculator, you will get the value as an answer, something like this. So 1.62 is going to be the final answer. Once you do the calculations in the calculator, you will get the 1.617. So easily we can round it off to two decimal places and make it 1.62. When it comes to question number 3, it is to find out the total surface area, and the formula is already given: a equals pi r bracket l r plus l. So the value of a can be found out by putting the pi value over here. This is the pi value. This is the radius 7, and radius plus l is going to be substituted all the values, and you get this as an answer. So I guess this is the best way to save your and my time when a exercise like this, in which there is not much of explanation but of real calculations. So the value of n in here is 12. In different questions in the examination, the value of n can be different. It could be 15, it could be 17, but in this case, the value of n is 12. I have substituted the values over here like this in the same given formula, which is over here. So after putting all the values, I get 250 as an answer. So the sum of the square of integers from 1 to n is already given in the question. Final answer is going to be 250. When it comes to question number 5, formula is already given. Substituting the values and doing the calculations is going to give you a correct answer, which is 63.8 meters per second square. Now comes question number 6. Einstein famous equation E equals mc square. The value of m is already given here, and the value of c is also given here. Now, just to remind you that whenever numbers are multiplied, powers are added. Now 0.0001 is can be written as 1 times 10 to the power minus 4. Now 1 times 9 is a 9, and 16 minus 4 is going to give you a 12, which is the final answer. Now, the distance s traveled by an accelerating rocket is given by the formula, which is given over here. S is equals to ut plus half at square. Now, the value of u is given as 3. This one is 3. And time is given as 100, half, and 0 0.1. When 0 0.1 is multiplied by half, this is going to give you a 0.05. And 100 square can be written in this way. When 10,000 is multiplied by 0.05, this is going to give you a 500. Now 300 plus 500 is going to give you 800 as an answer. Moving on to question number 8. It says to find the formula for the area of the shape below in terms of A, B, and C. Now, you should know very well that we can find the area of this green part as A times C. Okay, this is the first part. This is A times C. And plus you multiply A times B. A times B is this one. So this is A times B. From this whole thing, you have added this to get AC plus AB. Now you have to subtract this part, which is this one. So this is A and this is also A. So you have to subtract minus A square. So this is going to be giving you a formula to find the area of the shaded part. Now to understand question number 9, you need to find out this shaded area. So first of all, we know very well that P plus Q is going to give us the whole length, and R, from R it should be subtracted. P plus Q length should be subtracted from the whole of R. So this is going to give you a correct formula. Now question number 10 is pretty tricky for you to understand. It says a fish lays brown eggs or white eggs, and it likes to lay them in a certain pattern. Each brown egg is surrounded by 6 white eggs. Here there are 3 brown eggs and 14 white eggs. How many eggs does it lay altogether if it lays 200 brown eggs? Now, to understand this situation, uh, this fish lays one brown and one, two, three, four, five, 6 white eggs. So this pattern follows like this. This is the pattern in which the eggs are laid. Now it says 3 brown eggs and 14 white eggs. So what does it means? It means that it is 1, 2, and 3 brown eggs, and instead of 18 white eggs it has only 14 eggs. So please be reminded with this one is 6 white eggs and this one is 6 white eggs, 12, and plus 2 giving you 14, which is according to the question over here. Now there are missing 4 eggs. It has to be 18, but there are at the moment 14 eggs. So that means 6 plus 4 times 200 minus 1 to make it an odd number. So that means 4 times 199 gives you 796, and you need to add 6 into it. You get 802 as an answer. Now, how many eggs does it lay altogether if it lays n number of brown eggs? So you know very well according to the given condition, n brown eggs plus 4n plus 2 white eggs. This is the condition for white eggs. Okay, equals 5n plus 2 eggs. This is the number of eggs it's going to lay when n number of brown eggs are there. Now this is another question in which the little explanation is to be given. Now to understand this question, you know very well, this is one green box. Okay, I'll explain in the box down below. Now this is the white, this one is the green one, and green has one on top, one below, one top, one below, and one top and one below. So for 3 green ones it has 6, and plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means it has to be 2n plus 6. So double the number of n and add it to 6. That means this is going to be your given formula to find out white number of tiles to surround with the green tiles. This is the end of this exercise, I guess. There are 11 questions in this exercise, and I'm going to be summing up this exercise. This was exercise 5, and soon after this I'll be uploading exercise 6 and onwards. You'll be getting all the videos continuously. Thank you very much for watching. Wish you all the best and have a nice day.